Hey, warrior, let's have a real conversation today because I know there are a lot of you watching this who feel like you're doing everything you're supposed to do. You're posting, you're showing up, you're trying to stay consistent, and yet the sales just aren't coming in the way you thought they would. And if you're being honest, it's starting to mess with your confidence just a little bit. You're wondering, is it me? Am I missing something? Why does this feel so hard? And I need you to hear me clearly. It's not you. It's the way you've been taught to sell. Because most of what's out there right now teaches you to jump straight into complicated systems. Funnels, websites, ads, email sequences before you even made your first consistent sale. And that's backwards, especially if you're a busy single mom, because you don't have unlimited time and you don't have unlimited energy. You need something that works in real life. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to simplify sales in a way that actually feels good and actually works. No pressure, no weird tactics, no pretending to be someone you're not. Just simple, real connection. So the simplify your sales approach. The first thing we need to do is to look back. Because right now, you're probably trying to do too much. You're trying to have multiple offers, talk to multiple audiences, be on multiple platforms, and follow multiple strategies. And your brain is just like, no. So here's the shift. One offer, one message, one focus. That's it. Because when you're clear, you show up differently. You speak differently. You invite differently. And that awkward feeling around selling, it starts to disappear. Because confusion creates hesitation, but clarity creates confidence. This is where most women stop. They post, and then they wait. And they hope people will message them. They hope someone will ask for more info. But here's the truth. Sales don't happen in the posting. They happen in conversations. So instead of waiting, start replying to someone else's story, send a simple message, ask how they're doing. And no, not in a weird salesy way, just as a human. Because connection comes before conversion, always. And then we want to transition naturally. Now, once you're in the conversation, this is where people panic because they think, hey, now I have to sell. No, you don't. You listen. You pay attention. You notice what they're struggling with. And if it aligns with what you offer, you simply say, hey, I actually have something that could help with that. Would you want more info? That's it. No pressure, no forcing, just an invitation. And then follow up. This one right here. This is where money is being left on the table because most people don't follow up. They think, oh, I don't want to bother them. I don't want to be annoying. Meanwhile, life just got busy on the other side. So following up isn't annoying, it's helpful. It can be as simple as, hey, I was thinking about you. Did you still want that info? That's it. Build confidence through action. Because finally, let's talk about confidence. Because so many women are waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel confident before they start. But confidence doesn't come first. Action